Guys, welcome to Weptech Academy. I have this beautiful app that I always use for recording, to screenshot my tutorials and a lot of those things. So today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up the best settings for recording and also how to do Windows capture. So the app I use is called OBS, and to download, the first thing to do is to download and install this great app. And in order to do that, you just have to type OBS. Immediately you just type, you hit enter. The first link that is gonna show should be the link of the website. So now when you open the website, you have to choose the operating system that you're using. If you're using Linux, you simply click on Linux. If you're using Mac, you simply click on Mac. Using Windows, simply click on Windows. So that is how this runs. So now I will not download it because I already have it, but if you want to download, just click on the session here and you download. Immediately you download, you are gonna open it and you're gonna have something like this. You're gonna have something like this app that you see here, OBS Studio. You're gonna have something like that. So immediately you have downloaded, you double click on it to open, or left click, or you click on open, it's gonna open. So when you are done from that, you have to open the app. It's gonna be something like this. So now, to add a screen capture to it, it's currently what I'm using, so be very attentive. To add a Windows capture to capture what you are doing on your this thing. But first, before doing that, you need to do your settings. For the settings, you have to come on this part that you see at this corner and click on settings. Immediately you click on settings, you have to go down to output. From output, under here you're gonna see the settings that is required for OBS. So unfortunately for me, I'm using it to record and I cannot do it, but OBS always have the best settings for it depending on your machine. For example, the quality of your voice, you can add it from here. Your quality of your video bitrate, you have to add it. The recording format, if you want a recording format, I'm using MKV, but you can add MP4. Recording quality, high quality, medium size, anything is your choice. They have to choose the part. Where do you want to save it? Is it video capture, whatsoever? That choice is solely up to you. So once you are done from there, you click OK. It's gonna set. The second thing, you have to check on your mic. Which mic do you want to use? Currently I'm using a mic from my laptop. So if you click from there, you see other things and properties to set it up. You can also import a mic, but that is not my main point today. So for me now to show you how to record, click on this plus icon here. From this plus icon, you're gonna see video capture device. I'm not doing a video capture device. Windows capture is gonna capture whatever you are doing on your desktop. So that is clearly what we're gonna do now. So let's click here, click on display capture. From display capture, you can name it to anything. Let me say testing. From testing, you click OK. From OK, it's gonna come automatically. Then sometimes if you have multiple screen, display 1, display 2, or probably have double screen. For example, maybe if I can add my listing to extend, let's say extend. Voila. If I go back and I come back here, I'm gonna say display 2. So but anyway, that is not what I wanna do. So that is okay. You are done. Sometimes it's your choice. You have to add something. You want to add text, you have to come here. You see text, you add the text, you type whatever you want to type, it's gonna go. There are a lot of things. So that is how to do it. Once you are doing that, to start recording, is just for you to click on start recording. It's gonna start recording from start to finish. So that is clearly how this functions. If you don't understand anything, please comment in the section below. I'll be available to answer right now. Thank you very much.